Oh God, I have lot of work to do now on. Hello, who is speaking now on? I'm so busy. Call me later on. Oh, I forgot. Today is Father's Day and I have to go to home. Oh God, what can I do now? I have to do my office work. How can I go to my home? Oh, my daughter.
What happened, Daddy? You are looking so tired.
Nothing, beta. You sit now.
Okay, Daddy. Now tell me, Dad, what happened?
Sorry, beta. I was unable to come to the home and meet you. I have lots of work to do. Oh God, I have to do lots of work. I cannot play with you now.
It's okay, Daddy. I will help you in your work. It's okay, Daddy. It's my duty to help you. Let me help you, Daddy.
Okay, beta, let's work together. Oh, after doing a lot of work, now we are free. Let's go to home and play together.
Okay, Daddy. Let's go to home and play together.
Excuse me, beta. I'm busy on phone. We'll talk to you later.
It's okay, Daddy.
Hello, who is speaking now on? Hello, hello. Excuse me, sir. Network problem is there. Wait for a minute. Beta, please be a little quiet.
Oh, sorry, Daddy. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Are you able to listen me? Yes, sir. Now tell me. What? I have to do a work now? What? Seriously? This is a lot of work. I have done my office work now on. Just now I have finished my work. Oh, please, sir. Can you give this work to another person? I have to go to home. Today's Father's Day. My daughter is waiting for me. Please, I cannot do this work. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Oh, beta, let's go now.
Let's watch a horror movie now.
Okay, beta, as you wish.